Hi guys, magandang hapon sa lahat, no? Welcome back to my channel sa Paring MTV. Nandito ako ngayon guys sa New Jersey. Ang content ko ngayon guys is yung ako ay na police po. Ako ay na vehicle inspection ng police. First time ko po na inspection, so ako ay naka-experience na kung paano ma-inspect, no, ng isang officer. Yun nga, first time ko, tapos hindi lang first time, may second time pa. Nung una ko po, ako ay na-inspect doon sa Detroit na border, no? Nung ako ay tumawid doon sa Windsor, Michigan border, doon sa Ambassador Bridge. Nangyari po is yung last Tuesday, bali Monday, holiday po, Labor Day. Tapos Tuesday, ako ay may biyahe papunta ng Ohio, sa Columbus, Ohio. Ang load ko noon ay mga cheap pallets, no, mga paleta lang. Deliver ko doon sa Columbus, Ohio. May issue doon sa customs paper ko, kaya ako ay nagparada muna doon sa may parkingan ng Detroit Customs Border. Tapos while nandun ako ay na vehicle check po. Huminto yung SUV ng officer doon sa harap ko, so hindi ako makapagpatuloy, no. Tapos sabi niya ginagawa daw nila na random vehicle check, kaya ako ang na-timingan. Ang nangyari is kinuha niya yung license ko, driver's license, tapos yung cab card, yung binder ko po, yung binder ng truck. Ang binder na yun ay nandun lahat ng mga documents, mga registrations, insurance, kung ano-ano pang mga papeles nandun sa isang binder. Kinuha niya po yun, chinek niya doon sa sasakyan niya, ini-encode niya lahat. Hindi ko po nakuna ng lahat ng video, no, kasi nga nung pagdating niya sana nakunan ko, pero anyway, may nakuha pa rin akong video para mapanood nyo.
Driver's license.
Thank you, sir.
Yep. Vehicle book. Inspection form. Have you got one of these before?
Not yet, sir. It's my
Nope.
first time, sir.
Okay, not a problem. It's not a ticket. It's done for statistics. I fill one of these out for every truck I deal with. Okay, it doesn't mean you did anything wrong.
Yes, sir.
At least not in here. List the company.
Yes, sir.
Use the driver. Truck and trailer info. Year, make, VIN, license plates, normal stuff. No violations listed.
Yes, sir.
Here inside customs, we'll do just random checks and check the paperwork. That's all this was. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Some point sign just says you were driving. Company signs it, they email it back. So when you get back, give it to a safety manager. They should know what to do with it.
Okay, sir.
All right?
Thank you very
Any
much,
questions?
sir. It's not a ticket violation.
No ticket. You did nothing wrong.
Yeah, I'm a new driver. That's why it's my
Nope,
first time.
You did nothing wrong. This is just me randomly checking the truck
thank you, sir.
paperwork, and that's it.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Yes, sir. Thank
All right,
you,
you
sir.
have a good night.
You
Drive
too, sir.
careful.
Have a good day. Oh, ayos. Wala namang violation nakita. So ayos siya. So parang clean vehicle inspection. Ang pangalawa kong inspection po ay kanina. Ngayon ay Friday. Bali last is yung first inspection ko Tuesday. Tapos kanina ang pangalawang inspection ko dito naman sa Alexandria Bay border, customs border. Dito sa may Kingston, no? Kasi po ako ay galing ng Quebec. Galing po ako ng Amazon, yung warehouse nila. May load akong pinick up doon sa Amazon, tapos dito sa New Jersey ko i-deliver. Actually nandito na ako ngayon, naghihintay na ako. Alas 3 akong dumating dito, tapos ang sabi is 7 o'clock pa ang unloading ko, kaya may time akong mag-edit, no. Sa Alexandria Bay kanina, pagtawid ko sa border, sinabihan na naman ako ng officer na would you mind pull over on that parking area, may open space doon, tapos I will do a quick turn around check. So akala ko ay katulad lang nun sa Michigan na kinuha lang yung papers ko, tapos chinek niya sa sasakyan niya. Iba ang naging check kanina po. Morning.
Hello, where are you going?
Pinebrook, New Jersey.
What do you got on board? Newspaper?
Yes, newsprints.
Any alcohol, tobacco, medicine, drugs?
No, sir.
Anyone else in there with you?
No, sir.
How are you?
I'm good, ma'am. Thank
Good.
you.
I'm gonna do a quick walk around
Yeah,
inspection
yeah, okay.
when he's all done. See that pickup truck, the white one?
Yes, ma'am.
You're just gonna pull over to the right behind him, between him and the flagpole.
Okay.
Just
Copy.
along the
Yeah,
right, and
okay.
I'll meet you up there.
Okay, thank you.
Good? Okay.
Thank you.
How are you doing?
I'm good, ma'am. Thank you.
Grab me your driver's license, the cab card with the registration, and the bill of lading for the load.
Yes.
Do you know how to send your logbook to me?
Can you please guide me, ma'am?
What kind is it?
Omnitrax.
Go to Daylog, where it says Daylog in the middle.
Daylag, okay.
See where it says E-Rods at the bottom?
Yes, I'll tap.
Push E-Rods at the bottom. And
Oh.
then hit OK. And then you're going to type this in the comment section. See where it says comment?
Yeah.
Type in NY for New York, NY 5105.
And
And
send.
then send it. Yep. And then you're going to have to hit OK again. I think it comes back and says. You can bring that right over here.
Oh.
I also need to the trade registration as well.
The hazard, I'll put it out.
Junior hazards off. Yep. I just want to see your log. Make sure that log's set. Go back to day log again. Let's do it one more time. I just want to make sure it went. Okay. You got your key on? Right?
yeah.
Turn your good.
Or just stay here.
You stay right there. I'm going to tell you what to do. Are your lights on? Good. Put your light in. Look at the other one. Good. Your little city horn. Beep. Keep an eye on me. I'm just going to work my way back. Okay, hit your brakes. Good. Stop for a second.
Yes, ma'am.
Turn your key back on. shut that key off again
I did, ma'am.
and turn it back on again. I just want to make sure all your that's good. Now I'm going to have you kick your air down till your low air light comes on. That's good. Good enough. All right, your fire extinguisher and your triangles. All right. Just gonna take a quick look at your logbook. Truck looks good. And I'll get you out of here. You're welcome. You can turn it on if you want, build your air back up, and then shut it off. Okay? Yep.
Tiningnan niya po yung ilag ko. Kailangan ko po i-transfer yung data ito sa ilag ko sa computer niya. Tinanong niya ako, do you know how to send the file to my computer? Sabi ko na, na-train po ako, pero yung sa theory lang, no. Honestly, sumagot ako sa kanya na, no ma'am, can you please guide me? O yun, sabi niya, no problem, it's just simple. So sinabihan niya ako na punta dun sa Daylogs, tapos may e-rods, type ko lang, tapos follow lang doon, tapos sinabi niya sa akin kung ano yung address or yung number ng dapat saan i-send. So na-transfer yung mga file ko sa ilag. So dapat pala importante talaga na ginagawa natin yung mga pre-trip, tapos 15 minutes pre-trip, tapos while on the road yung mga vehicle check dapat i-note natin para makita doon sa history. Tapos aside sa yung on-road na vehicle check, yung pagdating natin sa customer, ilagay natin yung parang customer yard, tapos ano ba, loading ba, unloading, dapat malagay natin doon sa remarks. Tapos yung mga cross border, ilagay natin doon yung border crossing para nandun lahat sa history. Tapos at the end of the day, yung post trip na at least 5 minutes lang. So yun, nakikita niya lahat. Sabi niya naman, your ilag looks good. It seems that you input everything. Sabi niya, how about this personal conveyance? May nakikita siyang personal conveyance. So in-explain ko sa kanya na bakit nagka personal conveyance, kasi nagtanong siya bakit daw. Sabi ko naman na nung ako ay dumating na sa yard namin, tapos ang truck ko po ay i-park ko doon sa kabilang address, doon pa rin sa company site. So from yard namin, personal conveyance ko papunta doon sa parking sa opisina namin. Tapos at the end sa reset ko, from that office na saan ko i-park tong tractor, pabalik ng yard. So personal conveyance. Sabi niya, okay, that's good. Sabi niya naman, nag-remind siya na make sure na sa lahat ng personal conveyance, ilagay daw doon yung mga note, mga remarks kung bakit nag-personal conveyance ka. Like naghahanap ka ng parking area, like finding safe place to park, or grocery, yung mga personal use. So yun sinabi niya. Tapos yun nga, ang result kanina sa walk around vehicle check is the same thing, no? No violation. Sabi ko nga, iba to ang inspection kanina, kasi hindi lang sa paper check, no, sa documentation ko. Nag-check kami ng air brake. So tiningnan niya ngayon kung pinapap sa akin yung pedal, no, tiningnan niya kung mag-appear ba yung low air warning device. Aside sa air brake, yung mga lightings ko, mga lights, so nandun siya sa harap, sinabihan niya na high beam, sinuwitch ko high beam, low beam, signal, right, left, tapos hazard. Tiningnan niya sa harap, tiningnan niya dito sa likod ng tractor ko, tapos tiningnan niya din sa trailer. So lahat ng mga ilaw, tapos pinupukpok niya yung mga gulong. Parang nagpi-PTI tayo, no, yung pre-trip tsaka post-trip inspection. Yun ang ginawa ng officer. Wala siyang nakitang violation, all looks good daw. So sabi niya, keep up the good job, always keep an eye of your truck. Tapos yun nga, binigyan na naman ako ng papel sabi niya ibigay ko daw sa safety officer namin. Ngayon tinawagan ko yung safety officer namin. Sinabi ko na, sir, ako po ay na vehicle inspection pangalawang beses ngayon na week. So may papel dito na binigay, ibigay ko daw sa iyo. Sabi ng safety officer namin, okay Marlon, is it a clean vehicle check? I mean, it's no violations? Sabi ko, yes sir, walang violation. Sabi niya naman sa akin, dahil dyan, may pera ka dyan. Every vehicle inspection pala, pag walang violation, pag clean ang result, is may parang pa-bonus kami, no? So, sabi niya, may pera ka dyan. So, nakakadalawang inspection ka, makakadalawang kuan ka pa rin. Makakadalawang parang pa-bonus ka. So, pag ganyan pala, mas maganda palang ma-inspection ako everyday, no? Kasi may pera. Pero anyway, ang point is, walang violation nakita sa akin. So, yun ang parang experience ko about sa vehicle inspection. Yun lang guys, at least maipakita ko sa inyo, no, kung yung experience ko nung ako ay na vehicle inspection ng officer dito sa United States of America. Yun lang guys, mag-edit muna ako ng ibang mga content ko. Tapos maraming salamat. Before nga pala ako mag-end, no, shout out nga pala kay Ronski, kay Aaron. Si Aaron po ay kakagraduate lang ng kakakuha lang niya po ng license niya sa AZ. Siya po ay subscriber ko po. So before pa, hindi pa siya nag-school. Nag-contact siya sa akin, nagtatanong, parang nakuan siya, na-convince, no? So ngayon, nag-schooling siya, nag-graduate na siya, tapos tumawag siya sa akin na kuya, nakapasa na po ako sa road test ko sa MTO. Sabi ko, that's good, congratulations. Tapos sabi niya, interested po ako mag-join dyan sa company nyo dito sa Bison nga. Tapos yun nga, finorward ko yung details niya sa HR namin, parang sa recruiter. Ngayon ay kinontak na po siya. Kinontak na si Ronski. So Ronski, good luck sa'yo ha. Kuan mo lang, mag-reply ka agad kung ano ang mga hinihingi nila para ma-process ka ng madali, ano. So good luck sa'yo. I hope ma-successful yung application mo dito sa amin. Yun lang guys, maraming salamat. Drive safe, keep on trucking, and see you in my next video. Bye.